Shopify $1 per month for 3 months plus 3 days free. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm thrilled to share an amazing opportunity for all you aspiring online entrepreneurs. Starting October 31st, 2024, Shopify is launching a fantastic paid trial offer exclusively for new merchants. 3 days free plus 3 months for just $1 each. To claim this incredible offer, just click the link in the video description below. It will take you to a special page where you can kick off your Shopify journey. All you need to do is enter your email address, and you'll get instant access to a 3-day free trial. That's right, no credit card required. This is your chance to explore all of Shopify's features and see how it can help you build your business. After those 3 days, you'll have the option to continue with 3 additional months for only $1 per month on select plans. So instead of spending at least $75 for 3 months on the basic plan, you'll only pay $3. Once those 3 months are up, you can decide whether to stick with a paid plan or cancel. No hidden fees or extra charges. To claim this incredible offer, just click the link in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need assistance getting started, drop a comment below. Let's get your business off the ground.